Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, a stable internet connection, and the Google credentials you'll use. Once ready, open the app or device settings and tap Accounts or Add Account to start. Choose Google from the provider list. This kicks off the secure OAuth flow. Make sure your phone or computer time is correct because mismatched clocks can block authentication. If prompted, accept permissions so the app can access necessary data. This is how linking allows sync and personalization. Next, you authenticate. Enter your Google email and password and complete two-step verification if it appears. Once signed in, you'll see a permissions screen explaining what the app wants to access. Read these carefully and toggle access for contacts, calendar, drive, or other items as needed. Granting only what's necessary keeps your account safer. If you manage multiple Google accounts, use the account picker or choose use another account to add a different profile. Wait for confirmation that sync started. To finish, open account settings and confirm sync toggles for mail, contacts, calendar, and drive. Trigger a manual sync to verify data flows. If something fails, first check your network, correct device time, and ensure the app and OS are updated. Also verify saved passwords or revoke and reissue app passwords for older apps. If problems persist, remove the account and add it again. And make sure you have two-step authentication codes or backup methods available to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.